Howdy, I'm John Dykes, Ribbon Rock Gardens Edible Cactus Farm. Thought I'd let you know how you can prepare a Nopalea Grande cactus. This is our home garden in the middle of the cactus farm, but we got a couple cactus plants that hang around here. Now, the first thing you gotta be aware of is these do have little tiny spines called Glowkids. They're gonna be sticking up toward the point. So you do not rub your skin against the points because you will get something in you. What you do is you rub this down under running water with a green scrubber pad. Then you trim off the base and trim around the edges where it is a little bit more challenging to get them all off with the green scrubber pad. Then you go ahead and give it another rinsing, pat dry. Now when you slice it according to the needs. If you're going to make it into a kind of a deep fried battered cactus, which is super good, then you slice it a little thick. In this case, we're going to dice it, which is a very common way. At the end of the video here, there's a whole bunch of recipes for cactus that you can look at too. Be sure to watch to the end and get those cactus recipes. Cactus is super nutritious. It's got a lot of fiber in it, loads of vitamin C. A lot of people say it is somewhat medicinal. We invite you to watch other cactus videos.